Hey guys! Welcome back to AllysiuTV. So for today, I'm going to review Sunnies Face newest product. It's called Lifebrow. So I'm so excited to try this. We all know kilay is life. So kailangan laging eyebrows on fleek. So yes! I know sa mga previous videos ko, I've tried the fluff mats and yung highlighter nila, the glow boss. So parang kailang, I know, sobrang okay yung marketing nila. As in, grabe, ang galing, ang ganda. Very well thought of. Pero like the products themselves, kailang, chill. So I hope this will change my mind. So yeah, so this is called Lifebrow, brows that complete you. So, I bought this in UP Town Center. So, ang alam ko doon, marami pang stock. So, if ever naghahanap kayo, kasi online, parang wala yata mabili masyado. Kasi nga, nasa-sold out siya. UP Town Center, you can check. So, I bought this for 595 pesos. So, may discount siya kapag duo na yung binili mo. So, I suggest that you buy both na. So, they only have two shades, ash brown or warm brown. So, I hope tama yung decision ko na warm brown yung binili ko. Kasi feel ko ash brown, very pang blonde na siya. Eh, kasi dark yung hair ko ngayon eh. So, parang feel ko warm brown is okay. I just hope na wala siyang red undertone. Alam mo yun, yung parang masyadong matapang sa eyes. Basically, kasi nakita ko pa lang siya, as in unang tingin ko pa lang, skinny siya. So, naisip ko na yung Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow WIZ. So, I just wanted to make this like a battle video na parang one side of my face, Anastasia, one side Sunnies Face. So, we can compare kung like pareho ba sila. Like yung formula, kung easy to put ba. Kaya parang, let's put this into test. In my like everyday makeup routine, hindi na ako nag-gel sa brows ko kasi wala lang who has time for that. Kaya parang ako, okay. So itong gel, we'll see. Feel ko yun nga yung nagpapa long lasting sa kanya. So let's see. So this is what it looks like. Sobrang nipis niya. This is what the Anastasia looks like. So, this is the Brow WIZ. So, kung pagdikitin natin sila. Oh my gosh! Parang parehong-pareho! Oh my gosh. Parang mas mataba lang ng konti yung packaging nung sa Anastasia. Pero, the size is just the same. Titignan natin kung gaano karami yung products dito, okay? Kasi yung sa Glow Boss, sobrang na-shocked ako. Ang mahal-mahal niya, ganito lang siya kaliit. So, this one, let's see. If you buy this na single lang, this is 295 pesos. Oh my gosh, natatakot ako baka maputol siya. Sana naka-close pa to. Oh my god, I can't. Okay. Ganyan siya. So, I think, this is fair enough. The Anastasia, matagal ko na kasi itong ginagamit, itong Brow WIZ. So, I don't know kung gaano karami talaga siya. Hindi ko na-check. But, ganyan natin. By the way, nasira na yung sa Brow WIZ ko. So, pinipilit ko pa rin kasi mahal to, sayang. So, pinipilit ko pa rin siya ilagay. But, wait. Oh my god, ubos na pala siya! Oh, how can I compare? I think this is my last use already. Wala, actually, hindi na kasi ito yung ginagamit ko. Yung everyday na ginagamit ko is yung L'Oreal, yung recent review ko. So, I'm gonna put the name here kasi medyo mahaba siya. That's like my everyday brow product na. Kasi sobrang long-lasting yun. Yun yung nireview ko. I'm gonna link it down below. So, anyway, let's start. So, unahin ko na lang muna yung sa Lifebrow kasi yun naman talaga yung i-review natin today. So, yes, let's do this. Ayan. So, as you can see, wala akong kahit anong brow product sa eyebrows ko. As in, residue pa to nung eyebrow embroidery ko with my best friend. I'm gonna link it down below for your reference. So, ayan. Sobrang dami nag-i-inquire sa akin about this one. So, ilalagay ko lang din yung Instagram account niya kasi nga, hindi ko ma-answer yung mga questions yung lahat. So, mag-inquire na lang kayo sa kanya directly. Okay? So, this needs a retouch. So, for sure, mag-retouch kami soon. So, watch out for it. Okay, so as of now, okay siya. As in, blendable siya. And it's okay. I like it. Grooming gel. So this is what it looks like. Ang cute! It's so cute, guys. I love it. So, the other side, I'm going to use the WIZ. Sana umabot yung natitirang product ko. I can't. Mas kalbo pa naman tong brows ko dito. Okay, so what can you say, guys? So this side is the Sunnies Face Lifebrow. This side, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Alam mo yung pareho lang sila. As in, oh my gosh. Well, ito kasi, ginamitan ko to ng grooming gel. Ito, hindi ko ginamitan. So, parang sobrang laki ng difference yung grooming gel. I love it. Tapos, ngayon na lang ulit kasi ako nag-Anastasia Brow Wiz. Kaya parang medyo nahirapan ako. Kasi nga, may mga kalbo-kalbo ako ditong part. But anyway, lumalaban siya. Okay, so I will bring you guys all throughout my day. I just want to check kung paano ba yung longevity niya, kung magsistay ba siya all throughout my day. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. Just going to check in. So, here are my brows. Brow Wiz Lifebrow. In fairness, sobrang mas intacto and parang mas crisp and mas basta basically mas on fleek. Yes.
Apat lang.
You think so? You'll be Wow! Wow! You, Kayla, you eat many noodles. Wow! Where are we going?
Home.
Hey. Did you like your noodles? Did do you like your food?
Yes.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
So, do you like my eyebrows?
Yes.
I'm reviewing my eyebrow product.
Sa lumang bahay namin, pinipitas lang namin.
It's cool.
I can see picture of rain.
Yeah, they're flowers.
I can see picture prints there. I can see a dog. Where? There.
Okay guys, so it's been 10 hours. It's already 12 midnight. I'm going to sleep in a bit. So before ako mag-wash up ng face, I'm just gonna say my final thoughts. As of now, intact pa rin tong Lifebrow. WIZ, intact pa rin. So, both are still so good. Pero personally, feel ko yung game changer dito is yung grooming gel. So, feel ko sobrang mas maganda lang siya. As in, alam mo yung mas plakado yung outcome niya. So, like, I super love it. I like it so much. As in, out of all the products of Sunnies Face, this one, as in, itong dalawang to, yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. So, nice one, Sunnies Face. So, siguro mga 9 to 10 over 10. So, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And comment down below what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!